Hi guys, welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. So the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is the next exciting chapter in Samsung foldable phone history. Technically, the third clamshell foldable phone in the lineup, the Galaxy Z Flip 2, was skipped. The upcoming Z Flip 4 is expected to further perfect the foldable phone recipe without changing too much at once. As far as the release date of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, we have little to no specific information yet, just guesstimation based on Samsung's usual device release practices and our expectation for the latter part of 2022. We only have the pass of hope right now, but we guess that Samsung will host an Unpacked in August for the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Galaxy Z phones took the Galaxy Note place as Samsung mid-year device launch, and Samsung probably wants some lead time before the iPhone 14 arrives in its usual September launch window. Indeed, if our experience is anything to go by, we'd say that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 could be announced alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 4 sometime in August 2022. Last year's Galaxy Z Flip 3 generally surprised us with its affordable phone price tag of $999, which made it one of the most aggressively priced phones of the type. This was most likely the reason the Galaxy Z Flip 3 was responsible for more than 60% of sales on the foldable phone market in both Q3 and Q4 2021, making it the most popular foldable phone. Judging from this strong performance of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, we could expect that Samsung would want to replicate this success by pricing the Z Flip 4 in the same ballpark. We should probably expect a starting price between $999 $1,099, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 camera as of now, but we don't expect much to be changed in terms of overall layout and specs. There has been some chatter regarding a triple camera on the Z Flip 4, but these leaks are not very proven. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 came with a dual camera at a rear, a 12 megapixel wide and a 12 megapixel ultra wide one. Noticeable is the lack of a telephoto lens, and we should not expect a telephoto camera to pop up on the upcoming Z Flip 4. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 came with either 128GB or 256GB of fast UFS 3.1 native storage, with no option for a micro SD card expansion, and we expect the storage situation to be mostly similar to the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but this time micro SD card should be included. Well, Samsung seemed dead set to get rid of micro SD card for good, so we would hardly be holding our breath for one on the Z Flip 4. In terms of what could be powering the Z Flip 4, the most likely candidate is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, which has been corroborated. This Plus version of the chipset is also built on a 4nm manufacturing process and will reportedly offer much better thermals and sustained performance in comparison with the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. There is also some speculation that the Z Flip 4 will employ the cooling solution from the Galaxy S22 series, which will hopefully run in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus and help the phone stay cool under heavier loads. That is it, guys. Without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video, and one peace out.